Welcome to the AI and Future of Work podcast. I'm Marcus Chen, joined by Sofia Rodriguez. Today, we're diving deep into automating bookkeeping, invoicing, and tax prep with AI, and how it can transform your life as a digital nomad. If you want to work smarter, earn more, and reclaim your dime through AI, you're in the right place. Let's get into it.
That story is so common. The pain points are clear. Multi-currency chaos, fragmented receipts from apps and travel, late invoices that slow cash flow, and the constant fear that reconciliations will produce surprises at tax time. Let's break those problems down and attach a dollar and time cost so listeners can feel the impact.
On time costs, imagine 8 hours a week doing manual admin. That's 32 hours a month. If your billed hourly rate is $50, that's $1,600 of opportunity cost. On error costs, miscategorized expenses or missed exchange fees can easily add hundreds to thousands in unexpected tax liabilities. And tool overwhelm? People try 10 apps and still end up with CSVs scattered across drives. The problem isn't tools, it's messy flows and no consistent automation architecture.
Exactly. And from an implementation and ethics perspective, we must prioritize auditability and minimal data exposure. That means read-only bank connectors where possible, clear logs for every automated step, and a human in the loop for edge cases. Automation without control creates hidden risks, so our solution balances speed with safeguards.
High-level architecture first. Connectors. Read-only bank and payment connectors. Plaid, Wise, Stripe. A parsing layer that extracts receipts and transaction metadata. An LLM-based categorization and rules engine that normalizes categories across currencies. An automation layer, Zapier or Make, to move data. And an accounting core like QuickBooks, Xero, or Wave for final ledgers and tax reports. Think source, normalize, decide, post. Here's the exact prompt/stock for the LLM step. Expense classification prompt. Input, transaction date, amount, currency, merchant name, description, receipt text. Output, category, subcategory, tax tag, business purpose short. Rules, prefer merchant name when present. For travel, use destination country. For multi-currency, convert amount to base currency using latest exchange rate and include conversion fee line. Return JSON only. Test it on a sample CSV and refine category mappings.
For the automation layer, pros and cons. QuickBooks and Xero are robust for audits and accountants. Pros, accountant-friendly exports, VAT tax features. Cons, cost and learning curve. Wave is free for basics and good for solo freelancers, but has fewer advanced multi-currency controls. Zapier is easy to set up for simple automations. Make gives more complex branching and data transforms with lower cost at scale. Airtable shines as a human-editable normalization table. Wise handles multi-currency conversions with transparent rates.
Let me give listeners 3 live prompt templates you can copy. Expense categorization, we just said that. Invoice follow-up template. Draft a polite payment reminder email for invoice ID, amount, due date. Include payment links, mention late fee policy, and a 2-line friendly personal note about the project status. And monthly tax summary prompt. Summarize the month of YYYY-MM into total income per currency, total expenses per category, realized FX gains losses, and items needing manual review. Output a checklist for the accountant. Try them with small batches to refine tone and tags.
A quick sample input-output. Input, a PayPal transaction, 2026-0312, 120 USD. Merchant, co-working bar. Description, day pass. Receipt photo text, co-working bar Lisbon 1 day. LLM output, category, workspace. Subcategory, co-working day pass. Tax tag, deductible. Business purpose short, client workday. Having that structured output allows your accounting core to post directly with clear audit trails. That audit trail is what accountants will love and what keeps you safe during tax time.
Implementation, 1-week plan you can follow. Day 1, inventory accounts and tools. Pick your core accounting app, QuickBooks, Xero, or Wave, and create an Airtable category map. Day 2, connect bank and payment read-only feeds, ingest 30 days of transactions. Day 3, deploy the LLM categorization prompt and run on that 30-day set. Day 4, add 6 automation rules. Auto-post receipts, auto-generate invoices from timesheets, send invoice follow-ups at +7 and +14 days, FX conversion rule, anomaly alert for transactions greater than $500, monthly summary generation. Day 5, test and iterate with a human reviewer. Day 6, reconcile and fix edge cases. Day 7, go live and schedule weekly audits.
Make sure 2 controls are non-negotiable. First, a weekly sample audit of 20 transactions where you verify categories. Second, a monthly manual reconciliation before you finalize tax reports. Also document data retention and who has access. Prefer tools with encryption and bank-grade connectors, and always use read-only tokens where possible. Start small, but think big. Scale automation only after you confirm accuracy.
Real Nomad results. 2 quick before-after snapshots. Before, Lena spent 8 hours a week, invoices collected in 35 days on average, and tax prep took a full weekend plus stress. After implementing the stock, admin time dropped to 2.5 hours a week. Invoice DSO dropped to 10 days with automated follow-ups, and tax prep is a 1-hour export with clear categories. Another solo founder reduced FX loss by consolidating conversions through Wise and saved $300 a quarter. Those are realistic wins, not hype.
Potential pitfalls to watch for. Misclassification is the top risk. Always keep a manual override. Privacy risk. Don't funnel raw PII into third-party LLMs unless you sanitize or use private models. Local tax nuances. Expense deductibility varies by jurisdiction, so keep an accountant involved for country-specific rules. And beware over-automation that hides patterns. Set anomaly alerts and maintain readable logs.
All right, ready for the CTA. We built a Nomad Ledger starter pack for listeners. A zip with the exact prompts we read, an Airtable category template, a 6-rule automation checklist, and a tool comparison spreadsheet. Download it from the show notes and try the 1-week plan this month. If you want a deep dive on your stock, send us a note and we'll feature listener setups in a future episode. Here's the exact prompt stock again. Copy, paste, tweak, and test.
Let's make this actually work for you. Start by connecting one account and running a 30-day test. Keep a simple weekly reconciliation and use the starter pack checklist. If you run into edge cases around taxes or PII, pause automations, consult an accountant, and tighten data flows. The human plus AI advantage is about speed plus responsible oversight.
That's our complete breakdown of automating bookkeeping, invoicing, and tax prep with AI. Remember, automate the ordinary, amplify the extraordinary. Head to nomadlifesuccess.com/AI tools to access our full AI toolkit, including Dream Guide AI and LifePath AI. While you're there, check out our online courses and audio courses. Subscribe and we'll see you in the next episode.